Our R&D and engineering teams design fire safety solutions that are trusted to protect people and property in over 80 countries. But design is just the start of what we do at Advanced. Our state-of-the-art factory in Newcastle upon Tyne in the UK is where every advanced panel comes to life. Our highly skilled production teams operate the latest assembly machinery, creating PCBs that are hand-finished with high-performance components. This is also where our metalwork specialists make the distinctive advanced enclosures seen in buildings around the world. And as well as creating our standard ranges, we also customize solutions to meet the demands of even the most complex fire protection challenges. Unrivaled know-how from years of industry experience, plus testing at every stage of production, guarantee the performance, quality and ease of use of each advanced product manufactured. We continuously invest in training, new technology and best practice techniques to ensure our products meet and exceed international standards and deliver fire safety peace of mind to our customers. And because we're dedicated to improving sustainability, we continue to implement environmental measures. Our factory runs on 100% renewable energy, and we're minimizing the use of plastic and waste across our business. And this focus doesn't stop at the factory door, as we choose sustainable transport methods wherever possible too. So, when you receive your advanced equipment, you can be assured of performance, quality, ease of use and fire safety peace of mind for many years to come. Advanced.